Hello, I'm Darren Street. I'm sure some of you will think, what on earth is he doing sitting back in the seat at Spear Recruitment? Well, back in July, I took the decision to step down as Managing Director of Spear, and it gave the great opportunity for Ed and Lisa to really sort of take the business and do what they wanted to do to get the growth that I wanted the business to achieve. And Lisa and Ed are doing that absolutely fantastically. What I decided in my time away was to look at other areas that I could develop the business and introduce new industry sectors, and that's what I've been doing in the background. I decided that I was going to launch an engineering division specialising in precision engineering, CNC, and I'm now sort of, do I dare use the term, spearheading that project myself, launching it. Maybe it's a bit like back in 2011 when I started with the automotive recruitment. It was just myself in those days. So what I'm doing now is I'm now focusing on CNC engineering recruitment, working with precision engineering companies up and down the entire UK. We've built a database, we're getting clients on board, we're getting candidates that we're working with. We've already done some successful business. So if you're a candidate who is looking for new permanent employment, please send me your CV. Alternatively, if you are a client and you're seeking new staff, contact details are shown on the screen, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. It's great to be back at Spear Recruitment.